kitties, welcome back to my channel. I'm just coming on to say happy Valentine's Day. I hope you're having a wonderful Valentine's Day. If you're new to my channels, hey, I'm Kitty Claus 18 and I love nails. I love everything to do with nails. Doing nails is my happy place, it's my calm place, and this channel has become my community. I have gained so many new nail friends and I love it. To all my returning subscribers, hey, what's up, kitties? So I'm just showing you and sharing with you some of the Valentine sets or February sets I've done. So, you know, hope you guys like it. I love them. The bad thing is, did I have videos for them? Absolutely. Was my big head in all of the videos? Absolutely. It was so disheartening because the camera is placed high above my table and I sometimes forget. So I really go, when I'm doing nails, I'm like, my head is all up in it, you know? And then I go back and I look at the video and I'm like, what the heck? Your head's in the whole video. Anyway, but I really want to show you guys the things I created. And yeah, a lot of the things you're seeing, like decals or glitters or stones, came from Shein. So if you haven't seen my Shein haul, go check it out. And if you haven't gone to Shein, go check it out. And Shein, not sponsored yet. Why? Why have you not sponsored me? Hello. Anyway, so I hope you like some of these sets I've done. They came out really cute and I love them. Some are very simple, some are extravagant, as you can tell. But yeah, I just want to share it with you guys. I hope you kitties have a great and wonderful Valentine's Day, and I look forward to sharing even more and more content. I think the next kind of holiday-ish is like St. Patrick's Day. I don't necessarily celebrate St. Patrick's Day, but if you guys can give me some ideas or where I can get some green St. Patrick kind of, decals or whatever, let me know in the comment section below. So have a great day, guys, and like I always like to tell you, stay safe, stay blessed, stay prayed up, and until next time, bye, kitties.